Hi awesome coders, welcome to create your portfolio with Flask beginners series. In last video we have seen how we have created a hello world application basically, and we seen how to use templates to give a view to the user. Okay, we have used templates. If you have not seen that, please go and see that. In this video we are going to discuss about static files in Flask. Before going to static files, let me explain you something. If you have ever designed any page, there is a big contradiction to link the files with themselves. Okay, you are working with index page and you are putting an image inside index page. So how you are going to link the image to the index page? You are writing the total path, and maybe you are placing the file somewhere else and you are running your server, and there is a much more complications over here. Okay, to reduce this problem, Flask and Python, in Django this concept is also present. They have planned that, okay, we will discuss on Flask. Okay, Flask have planned that all the static files like images, CSS, JavaScripts, all the static files are going to store inside a static folder. Okay, and all the files can be accessible by the keyword, by the starting folder static. Okay, so we will see how we are going to reference that. First let me create a static folder first. Okay, inside that we are going to place our image. Okay, so first I am going to my Visual Studio. Okay, here I am going to create another file, new folder. Okay, not inside template, it is inside template. Let me click outside. Inside the main project folder I am going to create a file named static. Okay, this is my static file. Okay, inside static file I will place my image. So let me first copy my image. Okay, we are going to show a image. Okay, so let me first copy a image from here. Okay, not from here. I am going to take this logo.png. Okay, I have copied the file, Control C, and I will place inside my project folder. Okay, I have created a project folder named smartudes, and inside this is a static file. Okay, I am going to place my image over here, logo.png. Okay, now return to the Visual Studio. I have placed a logo inside static folder. Look, this is reflecting logo.png is present. Okay, so for now, below h2 tag we are going to write a image img. Okay, tab. Okay, I have created a image tag. Okay, fine. Now how we are going to access the logo.png inside index? Okay, if you have seen, index is inside template and logo is inside static, and we are running our app outside them. Okay, so how we are going to link all the things? Fine. In Flask this is so simple, using URL format. Okay, let me write that. First I am going to create curly brushes to give the value. Okay, fine. What is it? Flask is basically using Jinja 2. Okay, let me show you what is Jinja 2. You can also read the documentation of Jinja. Okay, you can search, sorry, Jinja Flask. Okay, template. Okay, Flask 1.0 templating. Okay, this is Jinja. Flask is using Jinja. How you can set up, how you are going to write the codes in Jinja, you can read up from here. So for our purpose we are going to use Jinja. Okay, so inside Jinja we are going to write url underscore for this is a method, so brackets. Inside brackets the first parameter is static file name. This is static. We have created a folder na, static. Okay, after that we are going to pass file name. which file we are going to search. Okay, the file name is logo.png, logo.png. Okay, look here, file name is equals to, I have forgotten that, sorry. Okay, look all the things. URL for first is static, folder name is static, comma file name equals to logo.png. Okay, what it will do, it will go to static file. Inside static file it is going to search for logo.png. If it get that, then it is going to show in image tag. Alternative we are going to print sorry. Simple, it's so simple. We have not get the image, so we are printing sorry. Okay, let me save this and let me save. Okay, we have not changed anything. Okay, save this index and you can find, I can break the server hitting control C and I can run the server again. Okay, I have run the server, then let me go to my page and refresh my page. Wow, we get the image. Okay, this is how we are going to link a static file in Flask, and wait, we will place all the JavaScript, all the CSS, or everything, every static files, not everything, every static files inside our static folder. And let me make you first, let me make you the architecture, what we have till now, what we have explained that. Look, this is our project folder. Inside project folder we have static folder. Inside static folder we are going to place every static files. There is a templates folder. Inside templates folder we are going to place every templates for our website. And outside static and templates we have app.py. This is the source, this is the running file, this is the running file for Python. Inside that we are going to define every route for our applications and instantiating our Flask. Okay, that's all about basics of Flask. I think you get what I am wanting to say you. For now, thank you. For the next tutorials we will learn many more on Flask. Thank you.